Hello dear students, today we are going to solve the remaining part of exercise 6.1. In our previous video we have solved question number 1, 2, 3 and in today's video we are going to solve question number 4, 5, 6 for standard 9 mathematics chapter 6 lines and angles exercise 6.1. So let's start from question number 4. In question number 4 it is given that in this given figure we need to prove AOB is a line, whereas the given is x plus y is equals to w plus z. So let's start. As we know that all the angle sum must be equals to 360 degree, so we can write x plus y plus z plus w is equals to 360 degree. But it is given that x plus y is equals to z plus w. So we can replace z plus w by x plus y. So write it here, x plus y remains constant. Z plus w, in place of z plus w we may write x plus y. Again its value is equals to 360 degree. Now see, x plus y is coming 2 times. So we can write twice of x plus y is equals to 360 degree. Taking this 2 to RHS, we may write x plus y is equals to 180 degree. 360 divided by 2 becomes 180 degree. X plus y is equals to 180 degree. What does it mean? It means it is a straight angle. X plus y. So this is a straight angle. If this is a straight angle, then this must be a line segment, or line AOB is a line. Hence AOB is a line and we proved it. Coming to question number 5, it is given that POQ is a line, OR perpendicular upon PQ, here it is creating 90 degree, and third given data is OS is a ray, it is a ray lying between OP and OR. What we need to prove is that ROS angle, this angle is equals to half of the difference between QOS and POS. So we will start our solution from angle QOS. QOS angle can be written as ROS plus of ROQ. So this angle is equals to sum of this angle and this angle. Make it as equation 1. Similarly, we can write angle POS. So POS can be written as POR angle minus of ROS angle. This POS is equals to this total angle minus of this angle, making it as equation 2. Now see here, in both the two equations ROS is coming, here ROS, here ROS. So we may convert the equation as in forms of ROS. So from equation 1 we may write angle ROS is equals to QOS minus of ROQ. Same equation, but ROS coming to the left hand side. Again from equation 2 we may write, so again ROS can be written as POR minus of POS, equation 3 and equation 4. So if we are going to add these two equations, we will get 2 ROS. So 2 ROS is equals to QOS minus ROQ plus POR minus POS. But see here, ROQ, this angle value 90 degree and POR angle value is 90 degree. but one is in negative, another is in positive. So ultimately these two are cancelled out. So 2 ROS are coming QoS minus PoS. Hence simply ROS is half of the difference of QoS minus of PoS. Hence it is proved. Coming to question number 6, it is given that in this particular figure, this angle value is equals to 64 degree and this xy is produced up to a point P. ZY Q angle is equals to ZY P angle. These two angle values are equal. This angle value is given as 64. We need to find XYQ. This total angle we need to find out. That means ultimately we have to find out this one, then only after adding this to this we can get this total value XYQ, and reflex YQYP. See here it is QYP angle, this is the QYP. Reflex means this total value. So 360 degree minus of this value is equals to reflex of QYP. So let's start our solution. This is a straight line. XYP is a straight line. So angle sum must be equals to 180 degree. So 64 plus ZYQ plus QYP is equals to 180 degree. Again these two angle values are equal. So ZYQ is equals to QYP is equals to 180 minus 64 divided by 2. So it will come as 58 degree. So XYQ value this value we got as 58 degree. Next we need to calculate. We got this angle value as 58 degree, but we need to calculate XYQ. So see here XYQ means this angle. So 58 plus of 64. So this will be 122 degree. Next coming to reflex of QYP. QYP is 58 degree. So reflex of QYP is equals to 360 degree minus of 58 degree, which is nothing but 302 degree. So here we completed up to question number 6 and so also exercise 6.1. Thank you for watching.